Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning, everyone. Today I will present you our research about the role of SMEs in Indonesia in encouraging the green economy concept for quality economic growth. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Amsa Widaus, and also my team that are Devina Arninda and Mrs. Prasetyani from Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta. Next part of the introduction section. The green economy is a new paradigm in the economy for the implementation of sustainable development strategies that prioritize the balance between economic, social, and environmental. According to Siono 2014. An economy built on an awareness of the importance of an ecosystem that balances the activities of economic actors with the availability of resources. Sergey 2015. Next. Business development activities in this case, namely MSMEs, must be able to pass on wares for future generation in the form of environmental asset and natural resource. The role of MSMEs is a priority in every stage of development planning. MSMEs can be one of the main contributors to environmental pollution, both from the production and consumption process. Setiarko 2018. The concept of a green economy with a green GDP indicator can provide new and better hope for the implementation of sustainable development for MSMEs in Indonesia in order to internalize environmental aspect into economic activities, according Kristianto 2020. Next section in the literature review. Siono et al. 2017. The purpose of this study is how to strengthen production and institution on the performance of SMEs based on the green economy. The methodology used in this research is to make observation and provide questionnaires to SMEs. Then, the result of the questionnaires and tabulated and analyzed using a structural equation model, and then analyzed with AMOS. Based on statistical analysis, it is found that by production and stagnant institution it has a significant effect on green economy-based SMEs. Iswati et al. 2020, the study aimed to analyze the factor of that influence knowledge of green economies entrepreneurship in SMEs in West Java. The variables reviewed in this study are the role of entrepreneurship, education, media, community leaders, and the government on knowledge on green entrepreneurship. The finding implies that it is this study, Iswanti et al. 2020, is important to increase knowledge on green entrepreneurship. Tangarso et al. 2017, micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs, play an important role in the economy of the country. So managers must try to run their business in accordance with the current green economy concept. Green economy is an economic concept that makes environmental sustainability an important part in realizing sustainable development goals, or SDGs. The performance of MSMEs in terms of the green economy is a benchmark for the success of an MSMEs in implementing the green economy concept. Next, in the section of methods, type of research is qualitative. Research subject is MSMEs in Indonesia. The analysis techniques is a literature review system. And then variable green economy and MSMEs. Next, in the section of result, entrepreneurship education to improve green economy. To generate new outputs, the green economy emphasizes the information of production ideas, activities, and innovation using technology to drive sustainable growth, according Lotfi et al. 2018. In business practice, knowledge on green entrepreneurship is applied, such as reduction environmental damage. Achieve unbalanced balance between the company's revenue growth, considering the environmental and considering creativity and new green business method. Priorities the development of goods and service for profitability and green trade, provide the prospect of professionalism. The result of Iswanti et al. 2020 shown that entrepreneurship education has a positive effect on the perception of the green economy as on the test result with a significant. A community of people awareness, skill, and habit are usually passed down through teaching, training, or study from one generation to the next, according to Dewi 19 and 44. Therefore, education can instill principle of caring for the environment and promote appropriate behavior. Integrating the green concept in entrepreneurship education is indeed necessary. The education system promotes responsibility for thinking and treating alternatives to new ideas. The role of education to increase knowledge of the green economy is to create public awareness to achieve sustainable development, like green education curriculum provide knowledge and skill needed in industry. Apply green concept in every process in education. This program will cause divergent thinking among students and help them in all kinds of social interaction. The role of institutions in MSME is to improve the green economy. Based on the final research of Sriono et al. Research 2017, the results of the variable are not good. They show that model is not well established. Most of the goodness of fit indicators do not show valid results. The result of the hypothesis analysis that show that the role of institution has a significant and positive effect on the green economy. As is known, the business strategy carried, but in the production department has a great responsibility for the creation of good performance. Design the if production innovation is carried out properly, it can create and clean environment. Coding Ferry 2012. A clean environmental and good performance are the impact of the production process. With the right process, maximum performance is obtained. Institutional arrangement also have an important role. Good governance and clear work standard result in maximum performance. Good performance and production with a green economy orientation will have an advantage to compete. Raja 2013. The role of MSM is to improve the green economy. According to Sriono Research 2017, it shows that SM is entrepreneur in the Sidoarjo Regency are shown that entrepreneurs have implemented a green process industry in its activity unit, especially for waste from the production process. That is not development of a business. There are always social and economic difference. For the development of companies in each country, recommendations are needed to strengthen environmental enforcement. The existence of business activities with various technologies that are expected to minimize the resulting pollution because it will have an impact on the future. According to Siono 2017, The technological development will not stop as a system but a reflection for sustainability in the future. Technology will continue to move and provide new and efficient solutions. In addition to technological development, according to Stanford et al. 2012, that information technology has benefits for local small companies to obtain information about process based on the green economy. Okay. And then next session in the discussion, based on the results that have been presented by several studies that have been collected by research that MSMEs strongly support the improvement of the green economy, where according to the Ministry of Investment or PKPM, that MSMEs contribute greatly to GDP, namely 61.97% of Indonesia's total national income. This is because the existence of MSMEs really helped the Indonesian state in increasing national income. The green economy here is measured by the value of green national income according to Kristianto 2012. That green GDP is calculated by identifying the degree environment, physical quantification of environmental degradation, economic evaluation of environmental degradation, including Putra 2013. Green economy is an important concept that can be applied by the government guiding decision making for a sustainable policy. The role of digitalization in MSMEs also helps increase the green economy. This is because business activities with various technologies are expected to minimize the resulting pollution because it will have an impact on the future. Technology development will not stop a system but a reflection for sustainability in the future. Technology will continue to move and provide new and efficient solutions. In addition to technology development, according to Stanfield et al. 2012, that information technology has benefits for local small companies to obtain information about process based on the green economy. Global conditions are increasing. SMEs must improve their skills with innovation, as well as adopt advanced technology and communication to improve the ability of entrepreneurs to improve management. Okay, the last section about conclusion. Number one, this study concludes that the increase in green knowledge among SMEs is influenced by several factors, including the role of entrepreneurship education, the role of the media, the role of community leaders, and the government. Number two, the media motivate people to adhere to pro-environmental behavior. Community leaders are potential agents of change in society. Number three, the government support the development of an entrepreneurial innovation by providing recycling facilities. Disseminating green entrepreneurship information, distributing. Number four, institutional and production strengthening will have a significant and positive effect on the performance of green economy-based SMEs. And the last, the government can place strong legal regulation so that MSMEs run their business according to the green economy concept. This pressure is important because it has the potential to accelerate MSMEs to change their business to be more oriented towards sustainable development. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. We hope we can improve our people in the future. Okay, thank you.